PAW gunned down by police officers today. Yeah guys, stick around, this is a quick intro video. Alright people, so before we do jump into the video, remember there's a free cash giveaway. As I said, free. Yeah, everything free. Over $10,000 cash, $20,000 to be exact. It's easy to get. Over 3 person can win first place, second place. So read what they put on the screen right now and follow the steps and yeah, comment down on this video. Yes, my guys, don't worry yourself, it legit. Alright guys, so Christopher Linton, more popular known as Dawg PAW, was shot and killed in a confrontation with the police a short time ago. Law enforcement say this really happened in the neighborhoods of Elletson flats, the community in Kingston. So the superintendent Marlon Nisbet has confirmed that there was a fatal shooting in the area. So further investigation and updates will soon reach the media itself, but have picture and thing with the dog body, so them sure, you see me, end of the day. Remember when him just come out and get him first interview.
Persecuted, left for dead. 10 years after he was placed behind bars, Christopher Dawg PAW Linton is finally coming out as he speaks to the Loop News team about the pain and the suffering that he went through.
Kimo Matthews here from Loop News, speaking to Mr. Christopher Linton. Mr. Linton, after being released from behind bars, how are you feeling?
Well, Mr. Kimo, I can say it's an amazing feeling to be free and to be reunited with the family and the members of the community.
Yeah. Back on the street for so many days though, why haven't you come forward, to speak your truth, to let us hear what's on your mind?
Okay, well, let me say, after being away for so long, for so much years, one would need some time to thaw out, to feel back the energy, to get back mixed with society, to get that feeling back. Well, finally we are here now, so yeah.
Any form of anger, when you sit and look back, so many years out of your life, spent behind bars, any form of frustration?
Well, frustration. It was a frustrating time of my life, yes. Most frustrating part of my life, But we are here today, we're still focused, we're still mentally firm. So I just say it's a part of life and it's an experience one would never want to encounter again. But we're here, we've learned from it. We're here to paint a better picture as we go forward in life.
So where do you go from here?
From here, I think I'll start by making the right decisions, motivating the youths, in the right future.
In the past, do you think you were misunderstood? The police, we have heard reports that they would have gone out to paint a bad picture of you. Why do you think that is so?
Well, I can't say specifically, but let me just say that I told you I was right,
How so?
We spoke on the interview, the first interview, and I told you I was an innocent man. I told you I was wrong for that accused. But it speaks for itself. The justice, I must applaud the justice system for the tremendous work in getting it right. Other than that, we just hear it's nice to be free, and it's a nice feeling being free, but it's also messed up to be free and still being harassed by the system.
When you say harass, talk to me about that.
Harassment comes on like whichever car, they know that affiliates, you know, whichever car that attaches to us, like the vehicles that we are attached to, that I'm attached to, they normally get pulled over more than once. A lot of times now since I'm home, even with the kids in the vehicle, especially a vehicle that they see that is being occupied by my baby mother. You know, they traumatize the kids often, they don't know why. I'm not free, and they're still harassing me.
Are you afraid though, you know, based on what you're seeing and how they're acting, you know? Are you in fear?
In fear. At times, you know, at times I'm fearful based on a certain environment or environments that I have to go through at times. I'm fearful that without the presence of, you know, elders or, you know, suitable like elders, I think things, you know, I'm fearful that in those spaces and times, things could go wrong and will go wrong because I'm still being harassed by the system.
And you know, so much things happening in Jamaica right now. We only can vlog a set of things one time, you get me? And this young lady, you know, have problem, you know, where she face, you know, scamming allegations against her, where she'd have to pay over 300,000 Jamaican money to the police officers then. But you want it back? Reason being because she's not guilty for what them claim.
Good afternoon, Jamaica. This is Shakira Whitaker. Last night, I'm accused of lottery scamming. The police them say if I not find 300,000, they're gonna lock me up and I'm not gonna see back my son. I said, okay, I will give you whatever you want because my son now gonna grow up like me without a mother or a father. Them said them want 300,000. The money wired to my account, and I got them carry the ATM, and I withdraw the money. I have to draw 50,000 because I can't draw 100. I have to draw 50, whatever. Them get them 300,000. However, when I left the station on my way going home, I started to look into it and said, the Jamaican police force get away with so many things, and them not get away with my 300,000 because I work hard.